Welcome to this ZENworks Service Desk video demonstration. In this video, we will demonstrate the Quick Calls feature in ZENworks Service Desk. In this scenario, we'll show how to provision required access and resources for new company employees. As a manager, Allison has the responsibility to ensure that all new employees are provided with necessary corporate resources, including user and email accounts, an identity card, and a laptop. To start this process for several new employees, Allison sends an email to the support team requesting these resources. The request is automatically allocated to Bob, who is a technician. Bob starts working on the request by creating a quick call service request for each of Allison's requirements. After creating a quick call service request for each type of requirement, Bob creates a group template. While creating the group template, Bob associates all the quick calls requests with the new group template. He then adds a note detailing how to access and use the template. And then he closes the request. As soon as the request is closed, Allison receives an email notification with all the details that Bob specified. Allison uses this information to create a new Quick Calls request using the group template that Bob created. Here, she provides the required information for the new hires. Individual requests are created for each task, and a request group is created by combining all of the Quick Calls requests. Bob will use this information to provision the required access for the new employees. For more information about using ZENworks Service Desk, see the ZENworks Service Desk documentation page. Thanks for watching.